Nice outfit. That was a nice cowboy outfit. What are you doing?
Take it off.
Why?
I like this, but I'll take it off because I'm hot.
So you're not going to wear it anymore at all today?
Nope.
Should we show Uncle Nicky your chaps?
No!
Why not?
I hate him.
Why?
Because
Who is Uncle Nicky?
somebody with blonde hair and he's stupid.
Diego! Look at that belly. Looks like you just ate some pork. Oh my god!
I'm putting my other stuff back on. We're leaving somewhere else.
Listen, cowboy. We ain't going nowhere. Oh, brother. Coming to get you.
Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture.
Ow!
Take a picture of him. Take a picture of him.
Hi, babe. Whoa!
Take a picture.